Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system so changes are safe. You confirm cables, power, and that you can access settings. Once done, open Display Settings directly. You need to see resolution and scale options. You record the current resolution and scale so you can revert if needed. You also close unneeded apps to avoid display lag while testing. You're starting the process now, do not reboot yet, and keep a photo of your original settings for quick reference. You change the display resolution first, choosing the native screen resolution or stepping down one level to increase apparent size. Once changed, you test readability and click Keep Changes Only if comfortable. Next, you adjust scale to enlarge text and icons, increase in 25% increments, and evaluate. If the OS lacks options, you open your GPU control panel to create a custom resolution or scaling override. Make sure to apply and wait the full 15 seconds so the system commits settings before proceeding. You finish by rebooting to confirm changes persist across startup, then open several typical apps to verify layout. You update or reinstall display drivers to prevent scaling glitches using Device Manager or the vendor installer. Once done, calibrate text size and DPI if available, and save a restore point so you can go back. If the screen still appears too small or distorted, start in safe mode, revert settings, or attach an external monitor to access recovery options. That solves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.